Did you know that soliciting testimonials and putting them on our websites to promote our programs is actually typically a breach of most of our professional code of ethics, including social workers and psychologists? So what can you promote? Like many practitioners, I was really nervous when I started measuring my outcomes. While I felt pretty confident engaging young people that are probably disengaged from school, substance using, things like this, I struggled to justify how and why my work was sort of that capital T therapeutic. And I also struggled in university grasping the neuroscience material and the language used by those super clinical folk. But when I began finally implementing outcome monitoring into my practice, I was relieved. I found out that our organization's outcomes were on par with those in tightly controlled clinical trials. That said, I still had work to do. It pointed to areas where I could develop some of my therapy skills and start practicing some new strategies. So now when I market my program, I market it based on my outcomes. I show parents of the adolescents I work with what percentage of clients reach clinically significant change, and in how long do they do that. And one of the amazing things we've been able to do is use those outcomes to seek funding for more disadvantaged young people. We've had people funded to attend our expeditions from every state of Australia, from the UK, Hong Kong, Singapore, New Zealand, things like that. So the possibilities are endless.